Hi, good morning travelers, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to talk about Instagram and more importantly hashtags on Instagram. So if you're like me when you're on vacation, you probably like to share your photos on Instagram. Now one of the best ways to get your photos seen by other people and searched is to use a hashtag. So what a hashtag is the number sign, so hashtag, followed by a descriptive word. So for example, for vacation, you could hashtag something like hashtag vacation. Now there's no space between the number sign and the word. And hashtags are a great way for people to find basically destinations as well. So if you are on vacation, it's not just sharing your own photos, but if you actually tap and search by hashtag, you can find some great different locations near you, maybe some restaurants in your area, and some pretty cool places to maybe check out while you are in a destination. All right, so how do you share a hashtag? Basically, in the description of Instagram, you're gonna wanna fill out in your description, you can put the hashtags. Now you can put up to 30 hashtags. I don't recommend doing the maximum number of hashtags. It can look a bit spammy, but you're gonna wanna have a few on there at least. You're gonna wanna probably tag the location you're in, maybe what you're doing, and also you could tag the weather, that kind of stuff, just to get a bit of interest in your photos. Now what I will do is I will leave some of my favorite hashtags in the description below, so make sure you read it and check it out. And if you do have any of your favorites, leave me a comment, let me know what your hashtags are, and actually leave me a comment of your Instagram. I like to check out other people's social media, so let me know your Instagram handle and I'll go check out your channel as well. So best hashtags for vacation. Here are some of the best ones that I have found and some kind of best practices that I've found for hashtagging and sharing my photos while I'm on vacation. So first off, your first hashtag I think should always be your destination. So for example, a couple years ago, I was in Tahiti and I did a bit of research beforehand and I found out that the Tahiti Tourism Board actually had their own hashtag. So a good thing to kind of do when you're on in destination, research a little bit in terms of if there's a tourism board that's in the area and find out what the hashtag use, because it can be quite popular. So hashtag that if you can find it, but also hashtag the location. So for example, when I was in Tahiti, I would do hashtag Tahiti. So the next tip I recommend doing is hashtag your surroundings. So when you are taking a picture, take a look around. What are you taking a picture of? Is it of the sky? Is it of clouds? Is it of the ocean? Is it in a restaurant? Are you taking a picture of food? So you can hashtag those different things, for example. The next tip I have is to hashtag the occasion. So maybe you're celebrating a birthday, maybe it's an anniversary, maybe it's a wedding. You can obviously look and find hashtags for that too. If you are in a destination wedding, for example, chances are the wedding couple might have their own hashtag that they want you to share the photos so they can go and view them back later. Now there's tons of general vacation hashtags. And like I said before, I'll leave these ones down in the description so you can cut and paste them and put them into your Instagram as well. It's basically be creative. Don't have to follow and use the basic hashtags all the time. Be a bit creative, make the hashtags a bit longer, just have fun with it. You'll probably see what starts to work and what works for you on your Instagram, and just have fun. All right, one last Instagram tip. So this isn't a hashtag, but what you'll want to do is tag the location of your photo. And you can choose the location when you're posting your photo in Instagram, and you just tap the set location, you can make a search and it will pop up a list of choices and your location will usually show up. You just tap that, it will add the location. So for example, you could add the location of your hotel that you're at, the restaurant you're visiting, maybe it's the beach. It's very handy if you are putting the location for people because it helps people find that location and see what's around. All right, thanks for watching the video. Hopefully you found it useful and you can use some of these Instagram tips when you're posting next time when you're on vacation. Now, again, all the hashtags that I recommend are gonna be in the description below. If you did have a favorite hashtag that you like to use when you're on vacation though, leave it in the comments. And don't forget, leave it in the comments, but also leave your Instagram ID down there so I can check out your Instagram feed, see your pictures as well. If you did like this video, hit the like button because it tells me that people like the video, obviously, and I'll create more videos of the kind of things that people like. And if you want to see more videos, you can obviously hit that subscribe button. Thanks very much for everybody that has subscribed and follows me on the channel. Until my next video, you can watch these ones.